Something else you're going to be coming across a lot of in JavaScript and other programming languages is what's known as the console log. Enough said. Let's get into it. Oh, actually, before we get into it, the reason why console log is awesome is because remember those alerts we just written? They are horrible, man. We don't want alerts being popped up all the time. It's frustrating. So an alternative to this is console log. Okay, enough said. Let's go. So let's open up our console and let's start typing this. So you'll see here that this console helps me. Because if I start writing you can see it's telling me here, okay, console. So if you forget keywords, you can kind of do that. Now to access objects, properties on objects, you need a period or full stop. I'll get into this later. Don't worry about it for now. But the most popular one that you need to remember now is what's called this console log. So let's go console log. Similar, remember we have to use the parentheses to execute a function. And it's console log the word dog. Enter. And Bob's your uncle. There's dog printed to the screen. And let's try it again. Console log, let's try 1 plus 1. Do you think that'll work? Yes, the answer is 2. And true, we could have just gone 1 plus 1 directly in the console. Same thing. Okay, evaluates to 2. But this brings me to something more important. What is console? Where did that come from? How does it fit into the page? Well, if I type console, oh, sorry, that's caps. If I type console and I just push enter, let's see what that gives us. Oh, gives us this funny looking object here. What is this? And it's got a little triangle. Let me click that. And you can see all the properties that we have access to on this console. How awesome is that? Then you can just see the log is on the screen. That's literally the log that we just used. So we used console.log. And this brings us to something very interesting that I want to chat about now. Let's get into it.